Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nishtha, and in this lecture video we'll be studying about articles in French. So without any further delay, let's go. Okay, so in French we have four types of articles. There's article défini and défini, partitif and contracté. Okay, and I know that is different from that of English. And in English we have only two types of articles, definite articles and indefinite articles, which again constitutes of a, an and the. But no, that's not the case. In French we have four types of articles here. So before going further, let me give you a brief preview that partitive and contractive, these types of articles are more like prepositions. How I will tell you that in the next videos. For now, let's focus on les articles définis. So, definite articles. Definite articles constitutes of le, la, les, and apostrophe. Okay, le. Le is okay. These are classified according to the gender and the number of person. Okay, or object. Here, as you can so le will be used for masculine singular, la for feminine singular, les for masculine, feminine, plural, and apostrophe for vowel. That is in French way. Okay. For example, a long. Okay, the man, a man. Long, as in French H is also considered as a vowel. Okay, therefore I have used le, definite article with an apostrophe. So let's go further and study that when are they used. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so definite articles are used when you show belongingness in a sentence. For example, the car is of Paul. Here I am showing belongingness. Okay, I am showing belongingness as I am saying that the car belongs to Paul. Okay, so in this case, as I am saying the car, here the will be written as la voiture. Okay, as car is feminine in French. So la, it is singular. So again la. Okay, so la voiture. Okay. Next case is very simple. It's just that when we have these four types of articles, aimer, préférer, adorer, détester. Aimer is to like, préférer to prefer, adorer to adore, and détester is to detest or to dislike someone. To dislike. So whenever you see these types of articles in a sentence, whether conjugated or not, whenever you see these types of these are four articles as verbs, you will be always using definite articles. Okay, okay. For example, okay. For example, I like the pen. I like Jane, the pen, a pen, or okay. So Jane le stylo. Why? Because stylo, that is pen, it is singular and it is masculine. So that is why I have used le. Okay. Also this aimer is used, therefore I have used definite articles. Next case. This is very easy. In the beginning of a sentence. For example, the boy is there. Okay, I have to use an article in the beginning of the sentence. Yeah, given in the situation, you will use definite articles. For le garçon, you will be using le. Okay, or if the sentence was like the girls are there, so what will be used? So what will you be using? You will be using les filles. Okay, why? because I have to start a sentence, and in the beginning of the sentence I have to use definite articles. Okay? Okay, so now let's reach to the another case. This is after preposition. After preposition, for example, I have a sentence I write with a pen. Okay? J'écris avec le stylo. Why? Why did I use definite article? Because avec is a preposition in French. It means with, and therefore I have used definite articles that j'écris avec le stylo. Okay? So these are very simple, and let's exercise them to test your knowledge.
Okay, so as I had given you a note in the beginning of this video, you can remember I said that in French every object has a gender with it. Okay, so this is the same as we have in Hindi, in Spanish, German, okay, but not in English. So in French, every object has its own gender. Like for pen, you would say le stylo. Okay, you cannot say la stylo because it is not feminine, it is masculine in gender. Okay, so this was the thing I wanted to tell you first if you are a very first beginner and you are learning French. So now you can start the exercise, try to solve them and pause the video. Once you are done, you can again start the video and I am going to explain this. Okay. Okay, so as we have the first sentence, let's start with it. Dash elephants se bat. Elephants are fighting. Here you can see we have to use an article in the beginning of the sentence, so we will be using definite article. Okay, and elephant, this subject is plural. So which article will we use? We will use les. Les éléphants se battent. Next, Dash fille de ce médecin est très intelligente. The son of the doctor is very intelligent. Here we are showing the belongingness of the doctor and his son. Therefore again we will use this article, definite article, and fee, fee is masculine, which means son, so we will be using le. Next, je n'aime pas dash ami. Here aimer, this is one of those four verbs which always come with the definite articles, so we will use les because ami is plural. Ami is friends. I don't like friends. Fourth, il ne s'approche pas avec da chien. He does not come with the dog. Okay, so we have a preposition here, avec. Therefore, we will be again using this article. So I am telling you the use of this article. Okay, so we will be again using this article here. Which article? Definite article. And chien, which is masculine, we will use le chien. Il ne s'approche pas avec le chien. Dash garçon va avec sa mère. The boy will come with his mother. Okay, so again we are in the starting of the sentence, and again we will be using the same definite article. Garçon, which is boy, is masculine. Le garçon va avec sa mère. If there was fee, okay, so there is a difference between fils, fils, that is son, and fille, that is daughter. fee, I'm talking about that one in the second sentence, and fee, which means daughter, is some other word. So if there was fee, which means daughter, then we had to use which article? La, okay? Because it is feminine. Because the girl is feminine gender, has feminine gender. So the next sentence is dash fe puri. The egg is rotten. Again, we are in the starting of the sentence. So which article will we be using? It is very clear that we have a vowel in here. Okay, the word is starting with a vowel, so we will be using L apostrophe. Le fait pourri. The egg is rotten. So I will provide you with the answers in some next seconds. Uh, and you can again try these sentences after some while for practicing your knowledge, or you can practice with from any other book given with answers in the end. Okay, so that was it for today's video. If you want to study next articles, that is uh, les articles partitifs contractés or indefinite articles, then do follow me, do subscribe me on YouTube, and I will post the next articles video soon. Till then, bye. Okay, so first let me provide you with the answer key. Okay, wait. Okay, so this is the answer key as I have told you, and you can pause the video and you can check your answers. Till then, bye bye.